I think one of the biggest anxieties any homeowner has when they bring in a contractor is someone I can rely on, someone I can trust. We do all the technical stuff. We do background checks on hires, we do drug screens, but most important, I think, is the people that work here tend to work here for a long period of time. It's all about the customer relationship. If you don't have a good relationship with the customer, you don't have a customer. People don't wake up in the morning saying, oh, what a beautiful day. I need to buy a new air conditioner today. There's no curb appeal to heating and air conditioning. There's a car and driver magazine. There's no condenser and furnace magazine. So the first thing you need to do with a homeowner is give them a sense that you're trustworthy. You're going to take good care of them.
I couldn't be happier with Air-tro, and I really think the mark of an honest business is when they really try to talk you into spending less than you wanted to.
I started Air-tro when I was 23 years old. I just turned 40. For me, Air-tro's that.